In this second video, I will be showing how we can make use of Python and Spark to process a .json file from a local machine. Once you have started the Python instance on your local machine, we can start to define the parameters. Firstly, the file can be seen to be stored within this folder. After that, we will use the basic dataframe command to load the file into the dataframe. To understand the schema which has been loaded, we can do a df.printSchema to see what are the information within the .json file. Here, two nodes will be of interest for subsequent information gathering: the result array and the developer sales array. This will be the two levels of arrays which I will be retrieving the information on. In order to retrieve the information from the first level array, which is the result array, I will use a select statement together with an explode in order to get the nodes out. Next, a select statement will be used to pick up the required fields which is later needed to be loaded: a project, a district, and a street. A second data frame will then be constructed to retrieve information from the developer sales. The columns or the fields which is of interest here are the number of units sold to date, the launch to date, Once the second data frame has been determined, we will then do a final data frame command to format the fields to what we only need for the assignment. A final data frame is also created for the purpose of graph plotting at the end. Here, I will run a command just to see the basic information which is now stored in the df_final data frame. Once we are sure that the values are correct, we can then proceed to transform the Spark data frame to a pandas data frame. This can be done with the help of a toPandas function which is available. Unfortunately, it seems that there is an issue with the Java, which is why I am getting the error here. So instead, I will write the data frame from Spark into a local directory and then to load it again from a local directory into a pandas data frame. Once this is done, I will proceed to plot the graph with the required statements here. Now we are done.